Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Devu's Tech Guide. So today in this video I am going to show you the unboxing review video of USB light. This is a versatile light and you can use it in various ways, like you can use it in power bank or with your mobile or with your laptop and even with your charger. So I have bought this from shopsy. Link is given in the description box. Just 29 rupees I have paid for this product. You can see here I am using it with my Realme power bank and the light is quite good. And if you want to just clearly visualize it, I make this room dark so you can clearly see the light is enough to use it like a study lamp, though I will not recommend it to use in a regular basis. But if you want, for sometimes you can do, obviously. And also it will work like a emergency light, but it is not so much good to study in this light. But obviously for sometimes you can use it. Now I am here in this video showing you how you can use with your OTG to connect with your mobile phone. So at first you have to connect the male socket of the light with the female socket of OTG, and now adjust to the USB port. And you can see here I am recording this video with connected with my mobile phone, and the light is quite good. So if you want, you can buy this product, and please subscribe to my channel. Just only one subscriber need to get 100 subscribers.